Early learning fun. Hey kids, do you know which animals live on the farm? The cow. What sound does the cow make? Moo, moo. Your turn. What sound does the cow make? The piggy. What sound does the piggy make? Your turn. What sound does the piggy make? The sheep. What sound does the sheep make? Baa, baa. Your turn. What sound does the sheep make? The duck. What sound does the duckling make? Quack, 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 quack. Your turn. What sound does the duck make? The rooster. What sound does the rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Your turn. What sound does the rooster make? The chicken. What sound does the chicken make? Cluck, 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 cluck. Your turn. What sound does the chicken make? The turkey. What sound does the turkey make? Gobble, 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 gobble. Your turn. What sound does the turkey make? The donkey. What sound does the donkey make? Hee-haw, hee-haw. Your turn. What sound does the donkey make? Great! Now let's see the animals that live on the farm again. The cow. Moo, moo. The piggy. The sheep. Baa, baa. The duck. Quack, 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 quack. The rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! The chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. The turkey. Gobble, gobble. The donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. These are the animals that live on the farm. Bye, kids!